information technology sector has experienced bombarding growth and it is transforming our Indian business standards. The IT sector includes software development, web development, app development, digital marketing, and many more. Our Prime Minister supports Digital India and going paperless through digitalization. Thus, companies need more IT professionals to operate their tasks. This leads to humongous career opportunities for students in the IT sector. Now, let's quickly talk about a few statistics to understand the growing demand of the IT sector. Well, the US Bureau of Labor Statistics has projected that by 2029, the demand for developers would increase by 22% worldwide. And the Times of India has stated that the top 3 Indian IT companies, that is TCS, Wipro and Infosys, are expected to offer 1.05 lakh job opportunities due to the growing talent in the fiscal year 2022. IT plays a vital role in the success of any business. In fact, it's hard to imagine any business which hasn't got benefited from the IT industry. For instance, online shopping through websites and apps are more beneficial than going to the shopping store or the shopping mall. Another example is that digital marketing is more affordable than the high-cost newspaper, radio, or television. Software for automated attendance is more beneficial than the manual register attendance. Well, Codezeal Technology from the house of Brightcode provides the best industrial training for the range of programming languages such as PHP and MySQL, .NET, Java, Android development, Python, and many more. PHP and MySQL. It is known for its simplicity, speed, and flexibility for web developer to make dynamic content. .NET. It is one of the most preferred language in the IT industry for its ability to reduce coding complexity, which in turn saves a lot of time. Java. It is the most secure language in the IT industry. Python. If you want to become data scientist, Python is the language for you. Android development. Businesses these days needs a lot of apps to promote their products and services. So there is a lot of demand for Android developers as well. All the languages mentioned before we teach in multiple frameworks so that you become professional. Apart from these programming languages, we also provide highly demanded industrial training for digital marketing and graphic designing. We provide industrial training for 1 month, 2 months and 3 months. 1 month of industrial training is for students who are in their second year or third year of their undergraduation and are willing to complete their mini project. 2 months of industrial training is for those students who are in their final year of their undergraduation and are willing to complete their major project. 3 months of industrial training is for those individuals or the students who are willing to get their dream job. With our training, you not only learn theories, but you also get hands-on life projects so that you become corporate ready and do not struggle to get your dream job. So, what are you waiting for? Contact us now to get started. Thank you.